In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get into Harvard Business School. Getting into Harvard Business School, or HBS, is extremely competitive. So the first thing to understand is that you need a very strong overall profile. In general, competitive applicants often have an undergraduate GPA around 3.76, strong standardized test scores, and roughly 5 years of professional experience. You'll also need a polished resume, compelling essays, and 2 letters of recommendation. So this is a process that rewards preparation and clarity. A good place to begin is the official HBS MBA application process page. This gives you the exact requirements for submitting your application materials, including transcripts, test scores, and fees. It's always smart to rely on the official source so you know you're working from the most accurate and up-to-date information. HBS evaluates applicants across 3 main areas. The first is academic readiness. Because the program is known for its rigorous case study method, the admissions team wants evidence that you can handle challenging analytical and quantitative work. That means your test scores matter. A strong benchmark is the median GMAT score of 740 or 6/85 on the GMAT Focus, and median GRE scores around 164 in quantitative and 164 in verbal. Your transcripts also play an important role. A competitive GPA is typically around 3.7, but HBS also considers the difficulty of your coursework and the rigor of your university. The second area is professional accomplishment. HBS looks for leadership, measurable impact, and a clear pattern of growth in your career. The average admitted student has about 5 years of full-time work experience, which means you should be able to show not just what you've done, but how you've progressed and influenced results over time. It's also important to demonstrate business-mindedness. Whether your background is in consulting, finance, technology, government, or the nonprofit world, you should show a genuine interest in using business as a way to create positive impact. The third area is engaged community citizenship. HBS is looking for people who contribute beyond their job titles. That includes how you work with others, how you lead in group settings, and whether you've been active in volunteer work, community involvement, or organizational initiatives outside your day-to-day role. Once you understand these criteria, review the HBS admissions criteria page carefully and compare your own profile against what the school is seeking. Then focus on presenting your experiences clearly through your application materials. If your written application stands out, you may be invited to interview, and after that, you'll complete a post-interview reflection. The key throughout the process is to be thoughtful, specific, and authentic in how you present your story.